Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss the chapter number 1, that is called a smart machine. This chapter is divided into 4 topics. First topic today we will discuss is the computer, a machine. Second topic is about humans and computers. Third topic is about types of computer, and the fourth topic will tell you about starting and shutting down a computer through proper steps. Let's start our new topic number 1, that is called computer or machine. I have given you a home task to read the page number 1 so that when I start to explain, your concept will more easier to understand. Okay? Number 1, machines. Secondly, we will discuss electronic machine. Third, we will discuss computer. As human beings, to make our work easier, we have made so many different type of tools. I will tell you about that there are two types of machines. First type are the tools that use no electricity. Second one are those that use electricity. Let's talk about those ones that we call tools that do not use electricity, like knife, plier, saw, hammer. They don't use any electricity. They are just simple machines. So the basic definition of machines become either for electronic, non-electronic. The simple definition of machine is machines are things that make our work easier. For example, knife, pair of scissors, screwdrivers, plier, can opener. Okay? These are all the examples of machines. I'm not discussing either they are simple or not. They are just machines. Let's talk about those who use electricity. Okay? These are also machines. This is called blender. This is washing machine, and this is fan. These all are also the type of machines because they make our work much easier than the handy tools. Okay? And these machines that use electricity are called electronic machines. So the definition of the electronic machines will become machines that use electricity to work are called electronic machines. The examples are blender, washing machine, fan, TV. Okay? These are those type of machines that use electricity. And because of their use of electricity, we call them or categorize them as electronic machines. So where is our computer stands? Do you know that what we do for computer to work? Yes, we plug our computer to start. Okay, so we can say that our computer or the parts of the computer use electricity to work. If you turn out or you plug out the main plug from the socket, your computer will not work. That means if you plug in your computer will start work. That means your computer system works with the help of electricity. So we can say that computer is an electronic machine. Yes, if I ask you what is a computer, computer is an electronic machine. Okay, class? So if we have invented computer, so why do we use computer for? What is the use of computer in any area? We use computer for playing games, watching movies, typing, drawing, listening music. We use computer for all these activities. Let's have a recap of the topic. Today we discuss about machines, electronic machines, computers. So what are machines? Machines are the things that make our work easier. What are electronic machines? Machines that use electricity to work are called electronic machines. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. There is a homework for you. I have given a copybook for you. There are 2 questions for you. Just look and review again the video and you can answer these questions and write down in your notebook. Question 1. What are machines? Question number 2. What is computer? I hope you like and enjoy your class today. Let's meet next time. Okay?